Park Regis Hotel, Kingdom of Bahrain. Signed by Mr. Dino Fornoles, an entertainment manager, of course, H&D Management and the owner of the Repub,
That's
Mr.
right.
Iman, and the outlet manager,
Yes.
Mr. Chetan. So,
Every participant will receive a certification from a Repub. Sige, tawagin na natin sila
Right.
one by one. Come on.
Echo.
Echo, come on. Receive your certificate.
Are you Echo? Oh, that's a number one?
Yes, come on, Echo.
And of course, our duo,
Aha.
Manas and Hina.
Yes, come on. All right. Third.
Two.
Certificate, guys.
Yes, all right. Come on now. Come on
Here,
here.
stay on stage.
Come on here.
Stay on stage.
Yes, let's take a picture first. All
And of
right.
course, Miss Eliza.
Miss Eliza. Seriously?
And Mr. Jerby.
Mr. Jerby.
Of course, Mr. Chris.
Aligay, mag-picture muna tayo mga participant. Yes,
Saan si Chris?
Guys,
Ah,
let's take a
Chris.
picture with you guys. Come on here.
Yes,
Stay.
together
Come on.
with Sir Deepak. Come on, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, and of course,
All
Let's bring the
right.
certificate, of course. Yeah.
Sir Deepak, come on, let's take a picture. Thank you so much for joining our first ever dance battle mania here
Yes.
at Repub. Come on, let's take a picture with Mr. Deepak.
yeah, Sir Deepak, where are you?
Yes,
Our beloved boss at Repub, of course.
Ah.
Okay, come on, Sir Deep.
Oy,
Alright.
lumaban si Papa. Oy.
Take a picture.
Alright,
Alright, thank you so
stay on
much.
stage, please. Stay
Thank
on
you.
stage, please.
Thank you so much.
Stay on
Yeah,
stage.
and another certificate of appreciation. This certificate is sent to for dedicating his or her volleyball time.
Okay.
Yeah, judge for the Republic Dance Mania competition. All right, for our judge, Miss Jel Vargas.
Jam!
Aha, come on.
Certificate gift
Yes.
for the judges.
Yes.
Jel.
It's Jen, come on.
Jam Vargas. A very sexy dancer at Repub.
Andito ka ba mamaya? Pakabsal ka
Of
mamaya.
course, later on, guys.
Sample.
And the next one. Yeah.
The next judges.
Miss Emily.
Miss Emily.
All right. Yeah, so we picture them.
Tanggalin mo lang ng photographer na to.
May bayad yan si Army.
Okay na, video ba yan? And of course, one of the judges is Elle.
Miss Elle, of course.
Elise.
Elaine. Yay.
And of course, Mr. Tans.
It's her dance. Come on.
Dance, come on, dance.
Dun. Yes. And of course, Mr. Deepak. Alright. So this is the moment of truth.
All right.
Okay.
With the average score of 78.4%.
Second runner up.
Second and to receive $200.
$200 and a certificate. All right.
All right, guys. Congratulations to Chris.
Yes, come on, Chris.
The blindfold man. Thank you so much. Congratulations, Chris.
Thank you, Chris. You did a good job. Oh,
Yeah. And our grand winner, we got the highest score of 85.8%. Sino?